Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix 5G network not working on iPhones. So guys, many of you are complaining about that iPhone 5G network is not working and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, worry not, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix 5G network not working on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check for 5G coverage. Ensure that you are in an area where the 5G coverage provided by your network carriers. You can check with your carrier's coverage map or contact them directly to confirm. Then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. Then you have to do is simply check your SIM card. Ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted in your iPhone and that it is not damaged. You may also try removing and reinstalling the SIM card to ensure a secure connection. And after this, then you have to do is enable the 5G. Make sure that the 5G is enabled on your iPhone. You can enable it by going to the cellular data options on your iPhone and then you will go to voice and data and then you will have to do is select simply 5G on or 5G auto. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. This will reset all network related settings including Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. You will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and reconnect to Bluetooth devices after doing this. So guys, to do this you have to simply open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix 5G network not working on iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.